In this video, I'm going to show you the overall process and the integration between UDeploy and DBmaestro platform. So let's start from UDeploy. I have here on my application. So the application I work with is the Oracle OT Oracle version. I have two environments, SIT and UAT. Each environment has a resource tree with the agent and the component. So the component is the OTDB package, and I use the ASUS configuration type a file system version, but you can use Git, Nexus, or push file with some CI tool like Jenkins. So, and I have the version of my package here. And let's have a look at the status of the environment. I have SIT version 5.3 and UAT is upgraded to version 5.1. And in this POC, I'm going to upgrade SIT to a newer version and then promote UAT to the SIT version. Then we are going to pretend to have a failure and we start with a rollback. So the DBmaestro platform, let's have a look at the DBmaestro platform. I have my project. So the project is this one. I have my two environment with the two version of the database. Let's have a look at packages. As you can see here, we have all the packages I used so far in this project, and for each package I have my upgrade, the script, and downgrade. So these scripts are quite simple. I use just something to an insert into a table called countries. So quite simple. What I'm going to do is create another insert with my new version and upgrade the SIT environment. So here I have also my Windows server where I install the UDeploy agent and the DBmaestro agent, and I installed also Oracle SQL Developer to check the environment, the database status, and so I have here my OT SIT version. You can see we have 12 records so far, and if I check the UAT environment, let's have a look how many records we have on UAT. So in SIT we have Israel and Malaysia, you can see here. Okay, we have in UAT 10 records, no Malaysia, no Israel. Okay, now ready to upgrade the SIT environment. I'm going to use the process that create a package and upgrade the database. I'm going to choose my latest version 5.4 and submit. Okay, the first step after the acquire lock is the DB package, so we can drill down the process, checking the log file of each single step. We have the cleaning of the working directory, the download artifact step. We are creating the zip file. We can have a look at the log file, for example. You can see here the file is created. Then the copy directory and the command, the jar command, Java command to create the package. Okay, let's wait for a couple of seconds and we can check also the DevOps DBmaestro platform in one. So you can see here the version 5.4 is created, and okay, it's still running, and the upgrade is starting now. So if we go to DBmaestro, we have the 5.4, okay, with the new script. This is a new country, Denmark, and the upgrade is starting. You can see here the process of the upgrade. Okay, now it's running. Also here I can check the log file, clicking on details, and yes, so the process is running, executing all the steps to upgrade the SIT database environment. We can also check the log file of the DBmaestro from the udeploy log step. Okay, you can see the Java command for the upgrade step. Okay, 90%, and the database is upgraded. So version 5.4, let's have a look at the process here. So completed successfully. We can check the version here. SIT is 5.4. SIT is 5.4. If we want to check the database, we can go to our SIT database environment and check if we have 13 records and Denmark is present. Okay, 13 records and Denmark is here. So we have Malaysia, Israel, and Denmark in SIT. Now let's go and promote UAT to version number 5.4. Okay, because we use it for this project deployed by version, it means that a comparison between the two environments will be executed, and so all the version, the version between 5.1 and 5.4 will be executed for UAT. Okay. In this case, we are using just the upgrade. We don't need to create another package. I'm going to upgrade to version 5.4. The step here is just the upgrade, the plugin, DBmaestro plugin step, and we can check the DBmaestro platform in Y. Okay, the upgrade command is started, and yes, so the process is running now. No, it's still pending, so in a few moments it's going to be, yeah, it's running. So in this case, if we check log file, we will see that not just version 5.4 is upgraded, but all the previous between 5.1 and 5.4. You can see 5.2 here, 5.3, and 5.4. So almost done, it's done. So two environment, okay, at the same version, we can check udeploy. Okay, 5.4, 5.4, and if we check the database of UAT, okay, we have 13 records, Malaysia, Israel, and Denmark. Now, something went wrong to UAT, and the application owner has to roll back the UAT. Okay, quite easy. I choose the process rollback, and I decide to roll back to version 5.1. So the automation plugin step is rolled back, obviously, and in a couple of seconds, yes, the command is executed, and if we check the DBmaestro environment, yeah, the process is pending, and in a couple of seconds, it's going to start. Okay. So all the commands to roll back are executed here. 90%. Okay. So 5.1, you deploy, says 5.1 for UT, and finally, if we check the database UAT, just a few seconds more, and yeah, so we don't have any more Israel, Denmark, and Malaysia. We have 10 records. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for your attention.